Okay, so we're gonna try the lime away on this. You can see how the lime deposits are just getting out of control here, no matter how much we clean. And this says that it does it in 60 seconds. And you can't really keep it on longer than 60 seconds apparently. So I've got my gloves on and we're going to pour this on. Oops. Okay, so I just did 60 seconds worth. Kind of hard to see. Got all these old rags that I can, but it kind of took off some of it. So that's the hot water. The cold water isn't as bad. Let's check cold water throughout the back. It did seem to remove kind of some of that finish though. But we'll try it again. Don't want to do too much. Do want to kind of keep it from going too far on my granite. I can of course take the whole thing apart. It's kind of a bear to put back together, but let's just see if we can kind of get, oops, a little bit of cleaning done so that it's somewhat presentable. Okay, so that was pretty close to 60 seconds. It says to rinse thoroughly, so we're gonna rinse it. It is kind of getting up some of that, so I would say that if you could quickly do this on a regular basis, maybe you wouldn't have this lime scale buildup that kind of eats into the finish. So yeah, after two pretty short applications, you can see where the lime scale is, sorry, I keep flipping my phone, inside those crevices, but it did seem to pull it up, but wow, that finish just looks messed up because of it. I'm sure this faucet came from China. Okay, well, so that's the 60-second lime scale lime away remover. Okay, I'm going to try to get these last two here and here that really look like they are caked on. again, this is kind of taking off that finish, but if I'm going to touch up paint them, then I definitely want all that calcium buildup off. And again, what I'll do is that I'll take it all apart, but I just want to test this thing out. Okay, so I guess the moral of the story is you won't be able to save your finish, but you'll get that white stuff off so that you can touch your paint.